What's GettingOut Visits? So you can just go and install this app. Yeah, it's available at select facilities. So yeah, you can visit your loved one from a mobile device anytime, anywhere. Like for people, for like jailed inmates or some or around that. And yeah, in some facilities they allow you to do like a video calls and all of that, and it's just easier and flexible than ever. So usually it's just not available to do video calls, but some facilities allow that. But even if they allow that, it's quite complicated process. And with this app, it's allowed in an easier way. Obviously, you can't just do like a call via Zoom or something like that. So this app is specifically for that. Remote video visits are an easy, instant way to connect. No scheduling needed, no upfront costs, no connection fees, no penalties, more flexibility. And then yeah, you can just go and install this app. Of course, it's very limited and minimalistic. So that's basically the idea of the app. But yeah, you can install it.